Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Barbara and this is my home sweet home. Today I'm sharing one of those. I've bought these again and again, kitchen staples. The Pyrex Freshlock 4-cup glass containers. The 5-pack with the locking lids. I actually just bought a whole nother pack. We're coming up to canning and freezing season. I've had these for years, and I genuinely love them for big batch cooking. When I make a big pot of soup, chili, or homemade sauces, beef stews, spaghetti sauces, these are what I reach for. The glass is such a game changer because it doesn't hold on to stains or that lingering yesterday's garlic kind of smell the way plastic can. So when you wash them, they actually feel clean. And you're not stuck with containers that look tired. And the 4-cup size is perfect for freezing, big enough for a generous portion, but not so huge that it takes over your whole freezer. The lids are the other reason I keep collecting these. They snap on with those 4 locking tabs, and they're airtight and leak-proof, which makes them great for everyday leftovers too, especially if you're stacking things in the fridge or freezer and you don't want mystery drips. I also love that square shape because it stacks efficiently. My fridge and freezer, it's not wide enough to have so many huge containers in there. So anything that stacks neatly and saves space is a win in my house. And one little feature that's surprisingly helpful, the Write on Erase label right on the lid. For meal prep, it's so nice to quickly write tomato soup, spaghetti sauce, beef stew, and the date. Then wipe it clean when you're ready to reuse it. No sticky labels, no guessing games, no wait, is this still good? These are freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. Just let the glass warm up a bit if it's coming straight from the freezer, and I like to vent the lid when reheating so that the top doesn't warp. As long as you clip them open and put them on sideways, you'll have no problems, and it keeps your microwave from getting messy. Home sweet home tip, when you're freezing soups and sauces, leave a little space at the top so it has room to expand. Then stack them like little organized bricks. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my links at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.